Welcome back, Corky fam. We've rolled out the red carpet for this Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. But before we start, make sure you're subscribed to these videos.
Ginger?
Also, smash that like button if you don't mind.
Another nugget.
Drop a comment of your favorite part below. And tick that bell so hard it rings in dog frequencies.
Stand up, baby. Throw your turd away.
Meet Ginger, a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Ginger is a high-anxiety beauty that gets a full cut instead of the breed requirements.
I gotta clean out your pads because I can't get to your nails because you're so fluffy.
Corky will now prep Ginger for the bath.
I'll clean up her paw pads so I can get to her nails easier. You know, fuzzy. And her nails curl all the time, so it's really hard to see. Usually most people would want their Cavaliers that have all the scrunchy toes and then just clean out the paw pads. It's like their signature. And she acts like she has bad hips, but I don't think she's that old. I'm sorry, baby. I know, I'm sorry.
It's almost in her pad.
Yeah, I need new cat clippers too. These ones are so dull. But yeah, you can see where it indents right there.
Ginger's hooked nails are a prime example of why early exposure and commitment to a grooming schedule is vital. Even though Ginger comes every 5 weeks, her quicks had previously grew to this length before she came a part of the Corky fam, so any added growth starts to hook inward and puts pressure into the paw's pads. Corky is now going over the inner ears with a number 10 on her clippers. Before we started this ritual of shaving, Ginger would always have dirty or infected ears.
I think since I've been doing the short ears on the inside, it's helping her ears not get infected. They can breathe.
Corky is now going to clean the ear canals with Pro Ear soaked into a cotton pad.
So clean. If I had a Spaniel, it'd be a Cavalier for sure. Good job, baby. Come on, chunky girl.
Ginger is headed out for some much-needed spa time. Corky starts applying iGroom Tearless Facial. Ginger enjoys this part the most. Today, Corky will be using iGroom's charcoal and keratin products for this spa day. A quick rinse before switching to the bathing system. This Prima bathing system has a high-pressure nozzle that helps penetrate any undercoat. We are beyond thankful to Fresh Paws Grooming, who not only let us use this piece of luxury equipment, but also for our booth space here. If you haven't already, check them out today.
Trouble back here, baby?
Yep, it's that great. This is the only luxury line that actually stands up to Corky's standards.
You can stand and be a good girl. You can control yourself, it's okay. Get your little nerdy freckles.
Ginger is still being ridiculously cute as Corky finishes her teeth brushing. Ginger gives one last shake before getting a hot towel massage and a quick pat dry. Ginger's coat is so thick and riddled with waves that she must undergo a bit of the cage dryer just to help dry the toughest spots on her head.
Good girl.
Freshly fluffed, Ginger's coat will be brushed out before Corky starts shaving her body down to one even length all over. She will also touch up any spots that she may have missed before the bath.
Ooh, don't need to, I guess. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Corky will use the 5-in-1 to clean up her sanitary area before moving on to her upper body.
You can see inside the hole on the other side.
Ginger's cabbie cut is done with the 4.5 blade, from her head to her toes. If any stragglers remain behind, she will use her dark purple lip comb to blend her coat's waviness.
Can't pancake.
Ginger will need to be supported by the hip band due to her age, size, and welfare. This one was provided to us by Grooming, an awesome small business on Etsy. These really do help as every dog eventually tires. With the pre-cut trim out of the way, Porky begins hand scissoring Ginger's ears with her Series 5900 8-inch curved shears.
She's a good girl, Ginger.
I'm just here for the pictures.
Once a proper length is reached, Corky uses her 6-inch thinners to blend it in. Corky will cut and blend in this method until Ginger has an even, all-over cut.
You're okay. You are just like so calicky.
know. Don't do your weird thing, please. You're doing it. You're doing it. Don't do that.
It wouldn't be very Corky without ending this dog groom with some doggy bling. Corky adds a green and black feather to Ginger's left ear. A beautifully black gemstone is placed on her brow. Ginger is looking and feeling fabulous again, and it's all thanks to Corky's loving touch. Some party jewelry for the picture is applied in the form of a bow. And a green machine sewn bandana for the win.
Cupid's.
Let's get Ginger off to take some photos. Thanks for watching, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel to never miss out on another Corky Cuts video.
Sit. Stay. Thank you. Leave it. Oh, this is cute. Look at me, girl.